Hello, this is Jyoti from SkyySkill Labs, welcoming you today in a new video where we are giving a demos on our new product that is Battery Management Training System or BMS training system. These systems will be helping your students to know about the different type of cell chemistries, different types of parameters, as well as how to integrate in the BMS, starting from 1S to the 8S system. So this equipment has been capable of up to 8S BMS, but yes, if you want to increase the capacities of the BMS up to 24S BMS, we are available, which will be helping your solar students, drone students, as well as your EV students to know about the cell performances and cell characterization, as well as to know how the BMS is being calibrated, how the BMS will be performing, and to test the BMS course. These equipments will be helping your students to learn about different type of BMSs, like you are seeing your hardware BMS, smart BMS, different type of smart BMS. In the smart BMS, we have active balancing BMS and passive balancing BMS. So students will be able to learn about how your active characterization is done and the passive passive characterization is done. Also, what is the difference between hardware and the smart BMS. In this system, the students also whatever the configuration they make up to the battery pack, they can test in this discharging system, where they'll be getting a result of different type of voltage, capacities, as well as the temperature between the cells. This all the characterization and the C ratings, everything they can visualize and understand how the cell and BMS is performing in their system. Not only this, the students will be able to learn about different type of communication systems. So you can see we have CAN communication system, we have IC communication system, we have SPI communication system, also we have a UART communication system, which are day-to-day EVs or drones or in the solar. This communication has been available for easily understanding and easily repairing of your battery pack and your vehicle. What is the difference between this and our old product? So this will be giving a hands-on training to the students before manufacturing any certain battery packs. They will be getting overall idea about the structure, how the BMS is being connected to the cells and how the cell will be performed. To avail this in your lab and to give your students a battery pack simulations, idea of battery pack simulations, you can visit us or you can contact on the below given number. Also, you can visit our website, that is www.skyskilllabs.org.